launching will be done in Cebu on May 1?
Well, if everything will be in place, it will be good. Launch tanan. Everybody's waiting
Simultaneous.
already.
Simultaneous go.
It would be good that all of us can do it as soon as possible, because I believe that the people are really waiting for the opportunity to purchase rice at 20 pesos.
Yeah.
And it's always good when a promise is fulfilled. And here we are seeing the president really trying his best that a campaign promise will be fulfilled. I do agree with all the three handsome gentlemen before me. Promise fulfilled. And also the fact about the sustainability. They are studying ways and means of having this sustained at 20, because then this will help lower the rest of the market prices. It's true, Gov. It's the traders that are taking advantage of the situation. What I heard ganina was that this will go on for the next, until the end of his administration, 20. So I think the governors will play a major role here, and we appreciate the president for tapping us, the governors. He himself being a governor before, no? Sakto ba?